Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Swastika.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, Abir. Hi. Hi, Rishabh. Hello, Vika.
Sir, what are we going to learn today?
We will solve the puzzle studies, kids. What we did is last time?
Afternoon, sir. We did the double check.
Double attack. Double attack.
Double
Okay.
attack.
Yes. So we will solve another study from the same topic. Just wait for a minute. Let's see if everybody there.
Good afternoon.
Hello, Nishka. Soham. Wow, is there? Okay. Mother Soham, let's wait for a minute if he's joining. Meanwhile,
Sir, why can we not take 1 hour classes of chess class?
for two reasons. One is, as per the government rules, okay, it is not recommended to have one session more than 40 minutes. Okay. And second one is, because I keep the 20 minutes, generally my batches are like 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Okay. So there is a gap of 20 minutes, kids. Okay. And these 20 minutes are for you guys only. In case if you have any queries related to the topic that I taught, or if you have any kind of questions related to, okay, or sometimes parents do call to me, right? So I need to give time, right? Otherwise, if I keep the 1 hour batch and back to back, so there will be no time for me to give that to you guys, right? So that is the reason the batch is of 40 minutes. Okay. Does that answer your question, Swastika? Thank you. Let me share my screen, please.
What happened, teacher?
It's loading. I mean, it seems to be little slow, kids. Okay. Just give me a minute. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, we cannot see the screen.
Yeah, I think some issue with that. 1 second, kids. Yeah. Generally, it doesn't trouble. Why? I'm not sure actually why is it troubling today. Is it visible now, kids?
Yes, sir. It's a bit zoomed up. Yes.
Yeah. I hope it must
now
have been
I can
adjusted now. Okay, so kids, I think we talked about this puzzle last time, right? We solved this, right? This was the solution. if you remember. Correct?
Sir,
Giving-
can we continue from the position?
Which position are you saying?
Means after the bishop captures the knight and the rook captures the pawn.
Okay, okay. Let's do. Why is that internet what is troubling me? But then if the internet issue, actually, I don't think it's internet issue, because my voice and my video is clear to you kids, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it seems it is issue with leeches. Okay, let's see. Anyways, okay, I played this.
Now
Okay.
we captured the
We
knight.
capture the knight.
We captured the knight.
Now the rook captured the pawn.
Okay, 1 second. Now tell me, kids, which rook, which pawn? This rook?
Yes, that rook captured a black's pawn.
Okay. So it captured.
Then rook captures on c5 and it's a check.
Yes, sir.
Rook captures on c5 and gives check. Okay, now where will the black come? There are multiple ways.
It was on
One-
d3. It was on d3 that time.
At D4.
D4 you are saying?
D3.
D3. Okay.
Yes,
D4.
it was on d3.
Okay.
D4.
Let's take D3. Yeah. We will come to D4 as well, Karan. Okay.
Now,
Those will be two
Bishop to
variations.
c4. Bishop to c4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, can we play king to d4? King to d4.
Okay.
Can we play king to d4? Actually, we have two things to actually. Now, rook to d5.
To D5 we can give check. Correct.
Now kill the bishop.
There is a support.
There is support
Karan.
of the pawn.
Yes.
You cannot capture
Sir,
that.
the
Right?
king
Okay.
is almost trapped.
No, it can come here, right?
Yes,
Yes,
but it's
of course.
almost trapped.
Hmm.
It's not trapped, but it's
Here
almost
as
trapped.
well. This is also free, right?
Yes.
Yes. No, but we have to take it to
Also on
E4.
c3. It can also
No,
go
but
on
we have to take
C3.
it to E4. Let's.
Right.
Let's take it to E4.
It can go to E3, D3, and C3, right? So where do you want
Can
to take
we-
it, guys?
E4.
e4 is the
E4.
best move for white.
King.
No.
Right. Why not E5, E3, kids?
Because
After
Sir,
it
because
plays
after we
e3,
move because we
the-
can kill.
we can do the pin one. We can move
If
the
I-
rook to d3 and then
Correct.
when the
Correct.
king moves, you can capture the rook.
Correct. It will be a problem, right? So
Yes.
best move is to play here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hey, hello. Who is making noise?
Karan.
Is that Karan? Don't do that, Karan. Are you singing a song or what, Karan? I mean, if you like singing song and present your art, okay, maybe I can keep separate session for it. Okay. So
Sir, Rishabh sent a message. He's saying lol.
right. He is laughing. Okay.
What
Anyways,
is the meaning of lol? Anyway.
okay. Let Rishabh only tell.
Sir, I couldn't hear him. What did he say?
He is asking what is the meaning of LOL.
It's the short form for laugh out loud.
Laugh
Like
out
that
loud.
it's slang.
Okay.
Okay.
Because he
Sir,
liked your singing actually. Okay, basically.
sir, C5.
Okay,
Now
let's
play C5.
Yes.
C5. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry, C5. Are you sure?
Sir,
no,
not that. It's not C5, it's
E4.
B4.
E4.
C5.
C5.
Okay, this one.
Yes.
Okay, but then what will you achieve by doing that?
My target is to give a check from E4.
Here. Oh,
Yeah.
E4.
But the king can run away from
D4.
there.
Okay, D4 you are
King
saying.
can go to
Yes, yes.
king
Okay.
to go to F. No.
Okay.
King
Now,
can go to F4.
what if the rook gives check from here now?
Yes, that's good. We can block that
Sir?
way from
Now, king to
king to C6.
C6. Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Sir,
then
now we
king
can-
to C7.
Who said C7?
Sir, actually we are blocking the king. Sir, I did not say. Sir, we are blocking
No,
the
sir.
king. If the pawn
No.
promotes, then
Sir,
we
can
have
you
a
take
queen and
one
we
more
can check.
back?
It will be repeated one.
Okay.
No, but we have to promote our pawn.
Sir, king to D6.
But we have to promote our pawn.
From where?
Our white pawn.
But the black pawn will capture if you move to A4.
Sir, you are repeating the move.
Yeah, no.
Now king to E7.
Correct. E7. Very good. So this
Yes,
is
sir,
this is
E7.
important, kids. Okay, when the checks are being repeated, you need to make sure that you are bringing the king close to the attacker. Okay.
Attacker.
And
Yes.
how do you do that? By going crisscross like this. Yeah. Something like this. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
that he will not be able to repeat the check. Now, what do you think actually where is possibility for the rook to give check? Rook cannot come here,
Now-
right?
No, sir.
Because otherwise it will get captured, right? So you need
Sir,
to,
what
even go
if
to
we
F7?
play the rook to A6? What if we played
Sir, it will just continue
rook
blocking the line.
to
It should
A6?
just continue blocking the line.
correct. Now, let's see what Swastika is saying. What if the rook comes to A6? Okay. So that will be
That's a good idea.
no, that's not good idea. That is a mistake. In case if you play here, let me tell you what black will play. Black will simply push this pawn.
Move the pawn.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Push the pawn and attack on the rook.
Rook.
There is a discovered attack. This is called as
Sir,
discovered
rook
attack.
and
Discovered attack
Sir,
is
and
allowed. Sir, there is an attack
and the
also
pawn
on the
as well.
pawn.
It will
Yes.
attack on the
So
But-
we can capture that
Sir,
too.
actually, we can play one thing A4.
We are not worried about attacking on the pawn, kids. Okay, because instead of capturing the pawn, it is better to push the pawn further and
Make
promote it to the queen.
Promote.
Okay.
Sir,
But then-
can you take some more
but
back?
the move is we can take it to B6.
Sir, can you take some more back?
Yeah,
We
here.
can go to
Yes,
B6.
sir.
So
Now,
what is the
where
right
will
move
the
then
rook
here?
go to?
Sir, rook to H6.
H6, right? H6 can be a good move for two reasons, kids. Okay. Have I talked about Capablanca principle to you, kids?
No, sir.
Okay. Now listen carefully. There is some background noise. Can I request you to keep, silence, kids, or otherwise keep yourself on mute? Okay. Please note that now I am going to talk one important principle. Okay. This is going to be very important for you to learn. Okay. Now what that Capablanca principle is, Jose R. Capablanca was one of the great, or you can say one of the greatest chess grandmasters. Okay, international grandmaster. Okay, and what he wrote, he was a good writer as well. Okay, he wrote many books, chess books on chess. Okay, chess theory. So what he suggested that whenever your opponent, okay, please listen carefully. Whenever your opponent is having only one bishop, okay, now in this case actually it's not only one, because there are other pieces as well, but reason for using the word only one, I mean there are no two bishops, only one bishop, right? Now what is the color of this bishop, kids?
Black. Sir, white.
Black.
White. Who said black? It's white, kids.
White I said.
The square of the color.
Yeah,
The color of the square.
right. So if you remember the very beginning sessions that I talked, right, that I taught, so there are two bishops, okay, in white army as well as in black army. Okay, those two bishops are, one is white colored square bishop, okay, another one is black colored square bishop. Okay, now this bishop is a white colored square bishop. Okay, what it means, this bishop can go to only
white
squares.
squares. Diagonal.
That is the limitation of this bishop, right? Irrespective of anything you do, you play 10,000 moves, this bishop will never be able to go to the black colored squares or dark colored squares. Okay, now kids, once you understand what is the limitation of your opponent's pieces, okay, once you know the limitations, or you can say the gaps, loopholes, right, you should be able to take the advantage of that. Okay, अगर आपको पता चल गया कि आपके दुश्मन में क्या खामियां है, तो आप उसका फायदा उठा सकते हो. Okay, for example, okay, if you take the India versus China war, okay, recently you must have heard in the news. In case if you are not aware of, that is fine. Okay, but in the Galwan district, okay, Galwan valley, okay, it's a valley. There are huge, you know, what I would say, the rocks or something of that sort, right, where people have to, all our soldiers has to go on higher side. Okay, it is minimum like 22,000 or 25,000 feet high as compared to the seashore, right? Now, as probably some of you must be knowing, हम जैसे जैसे ऊपर जाते हैं तो ऑक्सीजन लेवल कम होता है, right? The level of oxygen gets decreased, because of which it's a challenge for the human being, you know, to take the oxygen. Okay, and फिर because of that power कम होता है अपना. Okay, तो now you must be knowing, जो चाइनीज लोग होते हैं उनका हाइट एक्चुअली कम होता है, right, compared to the Indians. Okay, now because of which, I mean they are not that strong. तो जैसे वो ऊपर, अगर उनको ऊपर जाना है तो उनका जो पावर है जो कि जमीन पे होता है उससे वो बहुत कम हो जाता है, because they are not good at mountaineering or hill climbing. Okay, as compared to that, अपनी जो आर्मी है या फिर मोदी जी ने या फिर अपने जो संरक्षण प्रमुख है, okay, what they did, they have handpicked people, you know, they chosen handpicked people for that, only that area. Okay, and they are very good at it. So because of that, okay, that is the strategy. तो उनको क्या पता चल गया कि जैसे ये बिशप है, उनको पता है कि ये सिर्फ व्हाइट में ही खेल सकता है. तो आप जब, जैसे आपको बोला कि आपके पास में दो चॉइस है, ये जो रुक है आप यहाँ पे रख सकते हो, यहाँ पे रख सकते हो, राइट? तो ये हो गया व्हाइट, लेकिन उसमें तो ये इमीडिएटली अटैक कर सकता है, करेक्ट? बट इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आप अगर इसको यहाँ पे रखोगे जो कि ब्लैक स्क्वायर है, तो आपका जो दुश्मन है, मतलब जो बिशप है, वो अटैक नहीं कर पाएगा, राइट? अदरवाइज आप अगर देखोगे, जैसे अगर मैं इस व्हाइट में भी अगर रखता हूँ, ओके, इफ आई कीप इट,
would be pinned.
राइट, so it would again be pinned kind of. It's a different matter that our rook is at the stake, we will not do that. Okay, but long story short, आपको समझ में आया बच्चों? कि अगर बिशप सिर्फ व्हाइट में जा सकता है तो आपको क्या करना है, आपके जो पीसेस है, अभी तो व्हाइट के पास में ज्यादा पीसेस है नहीं एक्चुअली, तो आप ब्लैक में रख दो. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट क्या होगा, वो जो बिशप है वो अटैक ही नहीं कर पाएगा. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कैपाब्लैंका प्रिंसिपल. ओके, सो इज द केस, अगर आपका बिशप है और आपका ओपोनेंट दूसरी तरफ है, राइट, तो आपको क्या करना है, you have to attack on those pieces which are in the same color. Okay, so एक छोटी सी बात अगर आप ध्यान में रखोगे तो that will help you improve your game a lot. Any questions, kids?
No.
No, sir.
Swastika, I can see you are raising your hand.
Is Capablanca principle is that we keep anything or anyone or rook into a
Opposite
square
color.
that-
Opposite color.
opposite color. Okay.
Right. Yeah, so it's not only for rook, Karan. Okay, now because in this board position only rook and pawn is remaining. Okay, pawn is already in the black. If you see, pawn is already in the black square. The only thing is when you choose rook to place, whether to white or black, your preference should be keep it in the black. Okay. Yes, Swastika.
Sir, I wanted to tell that. So the queen, a rook, a king, pawns, and the knight. Can it go on? Can the pawns go if the pawns are on black and the another pawn is on white? So can the white pawn go on the black side, and means can the white pawn go on the black square and the white pawn go on black pawn go on the white square?
I did not understood your question. Anyone else
She's
understood?
saying that the white pawn can go to black square or black squared pawn can go to white square.
See, kids, pawns always go one square, that we know, right? And because the chessboard is just like that it's of alternate colors, right? तो आप उसको रोक नहीं सकते हो. Okay, you cannot stop the pawn from going black to white or white to black, right? But as far as possible, try to keep it them in the opposite color so that your opponent will not attack. And जैसे ही आपको मौका मिलता है, right? जैसे ही आपको मौका मिलता है कि जैसे अभी ये बिशप यहाँ पे है, for example, right? So even if I come here, will the bishop be able to capture? No, right? So you can take that. Yeah, but the pawn is there. You are right, Rishabh. Okay. So that is what I am saying. You need to look for the board position and then take the decision. Okay.
Sir, actually, instead of bishop, instead of bishop, queen, king, and everything can go in different places, but just bishop can go on the white square.
Same color. Right, same color. अगर ये black bishop होता तो black में जाता. Okay, now because it is of the white square, that is why we are talking about white. If
But
it would have been the
everything
black
else
one,
anything squares.
yeah. But anyways, kids, for this, actually this Capablanca principle and all that topic is part of my advanced training. But just because now the situation has come on the board, that's why I told you, okay? But anyways, when we will learn that topic, I will take separate study for the same, which will be more, you know, useful for that particular topic, okay? And you will understand more clearly in that case, yeah?
Sir, can
Yes,
we continue now?
Yes, Abir, yeah. So let's take it here, kids, okay? So we will take the rook here so that the bishop will not attack. Okay, now what
Sir,
black
what are
can
we,
do?
black or white?
Sir, rook to
What we
d4.
are?
Rook to d4.
But what
Rook
are
to
we?
d4, okay. You are giving check, okay?
Which side are we actually, sir? Black or white side we are?
We are from both sides, kids. We are doing analysis, right? So we need to think from both sides. Yeah.
Analysis? No, it's not a tournament analysis.
Arey Baba, not tournament. End of the day, this is also game, right? Swastika, why do you think that analysis mean only the games which you played? We will do the analysis. Yeah.
Sir, I have an idea. Why
Yes,
don't we move the king to f5?
F5.
Because then the black king is going to try to come near the rook.
Mhm.
Okay. Then it can enter into opposition and we can check, and then with that we can block the line and do one rook mate.
Okay, you can definitely think of that. Okay, but then your opponent will also think likewise, right? So when you go like this, definitely he will not. Let's see. Okay, now if you play this, obviously what will
to D3.
Right. Bishop to D3 will give you check, right? Next,
Sir, the king
Will
to
you play here?
E5.
E5, right? Correct.
Yeah.
So that will be good. But then again, rook
We
will
are
give
in
check from
opposition,
here, right?
sir.
Yeah, but
Sir,
then
we
rook
are
Sir,
in
the
will.
rook to E4 now. Now the king to D4. D4.
King to D4.
Yes,
D5.
that's a good move.
D5.
D4.
Okay.
Sir, not
D5,
D5,
right?
not D5.
DS D5.
D4.
That's
Sir,
a good move.
D5 will be a bad move.
How?
Yes. D4.
Wait,
Sir,
wait,
because
wait.
then the bishop can give us check from C4.
But we can capture the rook.
Yeah,
But the rook will
support.
hanging then.
Yes, support of the rook is going Rishabh, right? So he.
Oh, but we can kill the sport, na? We can capture his foot. And then capture all the pawns and then we can checkmate.
Checkmate white.
Correct. So
Sir.
if it comes here, okay, if it comes here, you will
rook to
simply put
D4.
no rook to C4, okay? Because if you
Yes.
put
Sir,
to
now the-
D4, your pawn is
Yes.
hanging, right? So for
Yes,
giving
sir.
the support to the pawn, you need to bring
That's
the
a
rook
good-
here, okay?
Sir, can we
Sir,
actually
pawn
play
to
the king to C6? C6, can we play the
Sir,
pawn to
pawn-
C6?
Sir,
King to C6,
Yes.
sir,
can we-
B4.
Sir, no, the king to
Sir,
C6.
bishop to E4.
The pawn
Now
to
it's-
A2.
Now it's white's turn, kids, right?
Yes, pawn to A2.
Pawn won't go to A2, it will go to
Pawn will
A4.
come A4. White नीचे आ रहा है
Oh,
ना?
pawn to...
Sir,
Yeah,
can
maybe-
we? Yes or no, sir? The king.
Sir,
to
why don't we try to bring about an opposition?
Sir, the king
but
to
then-
C6.
One
C6, the
one
king
thing,
to
kids,
C6.
kids, pay
Sir, we
attention.
can just play a waiting move then to A6. Sir, we can play a waiting
A6.
move to A6 because now the bishop can't get us either.
Okay. So you want to play here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what will
Actually, I
black
want-
play?
Let him play the D5, D6. Then we will talk.
No, black will still play
No, we
this.
will-
Sir, bishop to E4.
I have a perfect idea. Now, if
Sir,
the
bishop to
pawn,
E4.
no, no, sir.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Rook to E6.
No, kids.
Sir,
This
bishop
is
to-
good move actually. There is a check. Okay.
It's almost a checkmate, but the king can run away.
King can
Sir,
come
it's
here. right?
opposition. Sir, it's opposition. Do you there something?
Yeah, king is coming
It's
We
here.
will just go out of opposition.
Right.
Actually,
No, we are not out
I
of
mean,
opposition.
you do not have alternative, Rishabh, right? Because see,
Yes, sir.
this is blocked, right? This is
There is
already
no
blocked.
alternative.
Where
Right.
is the...
This is blocked, right? So there is no way for the king to go anywhere, right?
Just
but there
one
is one
square.
move to do opposition. There is one move of that.
Okay, so it will go here only, yeah?
Yes.
Now what? I mean, you need
Now, sir, can you play rook to D4?
Sir,
Yeah.
rook to C3.
Yeah.
Maybe. Sir, rook to C3
Sir,
will
rook to
attack on
D4.
that pawn.
Sir, rook to D4.
rook to D4.
D4,
What will
yeah.
you achieve by doing this, Abir?
Now the king will not come on the right.
Now
and
the rook. Sir, wait. Now the black has played. Now we will give a check
rook
to
to
black.
E6.
You can give
No,
the check,
the
right?
rook to E8.
No, rook
Yes.
to E6.
Rook to E6.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Rook to E6 can be one choice, kids. Yes. You can give check.
No, sir.
No,
So that is not a good move.
What is
Yes,
the
sir, it's-
problem?
no, sir. Can you take one
Sir,
move
we
back?
should go with the conventional giving check from
Sir,
A7.
can you take?
That way we can
Sir,
we are
can
still
you take
blocking
the
the
same
line.
move
There
here?
is no problem in the rook to e6.
Array, but
Sir,
when
can
we
you
go to
huh.
block
take
the
the rook
line
down?
to
Yes.
E7, then
Yes, sir.
then the king will
And this
capture us.
is already blocked the line. Block the line. This is already blocked.
Okay, kids. Now what?
Now it's a
Sir,
checkmate.
now the king will go
King to
down.
D8.
Take the
King to
black
D8.
king down side. Can you take the black king down? Yeah.
Yeah,
One.
It's only a
Now we will do the opposition again. Opposition
king
again.
to d8.
But we.
King to d8.
Yeah. No,
Now-
it's a
king
check.
to
No.
E6. King to E6.
King to e6.
King to
Okay.
e6.
Okay.
Sir, now the opposition can't be happened because the rook
Yes.
is blocking the line,
Yes.
Right.
and then we can go to
Sir, can we
capture
play
the rook.
Sir, we can play the rook to a5. 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 The rook to
A5.
a5. Yes.
Okay.
But if we are playing rook to A5, then we are losing our control of that entire rank. Five.
Right. So the king which is blocked here will get freed as per you, Rishabh, right?
Sir, we
Yes,
have
sir.
the king.
Why aren't we putting our
Actually, we have the king there. So
What will you
actually,
play
we have the-
otherwise? What will you play otherwise, kids?
Sir, bishop to
king to
Sir, we
e6?
can-
bishop to d5. Bishop to d5.
Bishop to d5.
Where?
Okay. So you want to give check. Okay, that is also good.
Sir,
And then-
sir,
Sir, but now we can just go in D6.
yes. D
Wha-
is yes, sir.
Sir, it's
No,
not a good
it's-
move, but then we are attacking also.
That's a good move.
Sir, now to the bishop.
No.
Sir,
No, it's
bishop to
good.
sir, bishop
Nobody
to
touched me. It's a
h1.
good move.
Bishop to h1.
Bishop
Sir,
to
move the bishop
Sir, the
anywhere.
rook to e5. Sir, the king to e5. Sir, the white king to e5. E5. The
it's
white king to
it's black's turn now, right?
No, sir, can you take one move back of white? I want to take the.
No,
Sir,
you
I
don't
would have
have
taken
to
the
take
black
one
king out
move
of
back.
opposition.
One second, kids. हाँ स्वस्तिका बोलो क्या बोल रहे हो तुम?
e5. Why can't we play the king to e5?
Here.
Yes.
And what will you achieve by doing that?
Turning. Attack on a
इसके बाद
rook,
क्या होगा?
then go.
इसके बाद क्या होगा?
So then the rook will take the one move back. The
Which rook? The black rook?
no. The black bishop, white bishop will take it to e4 again. E4.
Why will it go again there actually? If you play here,
That's actually good move.
E5. E4. The rook will come to e4.
why rook will not come, right? Why will it come? Because if you move the rook, the bishop will go, right? That is what he was thinking, right? अगर rook यहाँ पे आता है तो I will capture. ऐसे?
Yes.
But then do you think that the way you are thinking, your opponent will not?
Sir, can
Obviously
you
you
Sir,
will
in
think,
this
right?
situation, the rook
sir,
can't be
king to
captured.
c8. King to c8.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now king to c8.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir,
Hmm.
what I was
Yes, Rishabh.
Now
saying was, if the white king was at D6 and the black king was at D8, then we should have just moved the black king out of opposition and
One
then
sec.
given the check.
1 second. Now what are you saying? The rook king is at
Sir, the
king to
bishop is at D5
hmm,
king to
and the
e6.
king is at D6.
Okay.
King to E6.
Sir, now we should move the black king out of opposition towards C8.
No, but why do you need to? Actually, you don't need to worry about this, right? Can the rook give check from here?
Yes, no. But we can give check from the king
Sir,
protected.
it gives the
Sir,
check
we will
in the
capture
next move, then
Sir.
it's checkmate.
Kids,
Sir, we
kids,
will
kids,
capture
kids.
the rook.
1 second. Abir, I am talking to Rishabh kids, okay? No one else will talk, please. हाँ Rishabh बोलो.
Sir, but if we move it to, if we don't move it to C8 and we play something like the pawn, then it will be checkmate in next move.
How? That is what I am asking.
Sir, rook to A8, checkmate.
That is what I am asking, Rishabh. Can the can the white rook come to A8? The bishop is
Yes.
still attacking, right? Have you observed that?
I didn't see that,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. So that is the reason, kids, it is important to look for the board position. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Actually,
Okay. And so you don't need to worry about the rook giving checkmate. Even if it is opposition, black will not have to worry. Instead, what black will think is, black can think of pushing the pawn further, right? He will take one step further. Now what will
Sir,
you do?
it's 2 move made to us. Now the rook will. Yes, but we can also move our king. Yes.
Yeah, I mean, there is no risk, right? Now, suppose you bring the king here to attack on the rook. Okay.
sir, we can attack on 2 pawns and the bishop also.
Yeah, it is quite possible that he might think of coming here to attack on the rook, right? So in that case, what we will do? We will simply push our rook here. Yeah.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
he might capture the pawn. That is one possibility, right? Let him
Yes, he
capture.
will obviously capture it.
Let him capture. We don't mind. Next,
Yes.
Sir, can
what will he do now?
He
we
will.
can bring the rook this side and
He will attack on the bishop,
How?
but it will be of no use.
How will he attack? By bringing the king here again?
Yes,
no,
but it will be of no use.
Yeah, in case
Sir,
if
We
he
have to stop the pawn. But we
kids,
have to stop the pawn.
yeah, you have to stop the pawn. But how will you stop? Because you cannot, I mean, yes, you can come here one way, but then I will again push, right? I will again push.
sir, we can
Okay.
again push a king front, white king.
You can't do that. The
Can
rook
you
is
can you
blocking
do
the
that?
line.
Can you do that, Swastika?
No.
You cannot, right?
Sir, we can push a white pawn. We can push a
Okay.
white pawn.
You can push the white pawn, no issues. You can enjoy pushing the
But
white
the
pawn.
king
I will
became
enjoy promoting it to the queen. And now black will win the game.
Hooray.
Okay.
Hooray!
So anyways, kids, so this is
Sir.
how the game will go. There can be
Now
multiple
we can give
combinations,
check.
kids. Okay.
Sir, now.
Sir, it's a checkmate. Then in like 2 moves actually.
Yeah.
The king is blocked, so the black rook will come to actually D2. Then
Sir, now king to. Sir, queen to.
checkmate.
it's a check. No checkmate.
It's not checkmate yet.
But it
But
will be
that's fine.
checkmate.
Yeah, it will be checkmate soon, kids. Yeah. Maybe it comes here. You come here.
The rook can come to. But no. Yes.
Now
Arey,
it's a
don't worry,
checkmate.
pawn नीचे आ रहा है करण. Don't worry. Okay. अब यहाँ पे आएगा वो. ठीक है. And as soon as he comes, what is the final move, kids? This is a check and mate.
Yes.
Okay. So
But
this
we
is,
don't. It was not a checkmate actually.
yeah. Okay, kids. So we will stop here for today. Okay, it was good analysis. Kids, maybe I will conclude for this next in the next session. But it was good study, kids. Yeah. So
Yes.
okay,
Bye,
kids. We will
sir.
stop here for today. Bye bye.
Teacher,
Thank you,
can
sir.
we
Bye,
go
sir.
Bye.